With the BrightLink, I can take whatever I find and manipulate it right then and there.
Any file that I have on my computer, any video or photograph, even just taking something that's already on the web and then adding to it with their own thinking as opposed to just looking at a website.
It involves kinesthetic learning and tactile learning where they're actually manipulating and moving things around.
We could be switching from what's on the document camera to what's on my computer to a kid's computer.
And it does every single thing.
It's important that your lessons engage students. They have to be interactive.
I was able to capture what they did through the video on the iPad.
Kids come right up with their devices, plug in, and we're there. We don't have to wait for it to recognize the device or load or anything like that.
It just makes it more interesting for us. Instead of looking at like a piece of paper with information on it.
You can erase, you can use different sizes, you can write simultaneously with someone else.
I really enjoyed in particular the aspect of the two markers.
And I could have two kids solving the problem two different ways. Within 10 minutes, everybody's had a chance to go up.
I'm not a technology teacher, I'm a language arts teacher.
I didn't even have to be plugged into the computer to use it.
Having the old projector and having it break down, everyone else is like...
This is so simple for the kids to use. We could just hand them the pen and they're just going.
Makes the whole entire presentation more organized and it just works a lot better.
It's two cables, very easy, especially if you're not savvy with technology like me.